What's going on, guys? Gary Yaman here, back at it again with a new video. And in this video we're gonna unbox this guy right here, the Sony FE70-300mm F4.5-5.6 OSS lens. And a couple of weeks back I ordered the wrong one, and I ordered the crop sensor version one, the APS-C version, and this is the right one. This is the full frame version. This is the one that I will be comparing to the Sigma 100-400mm F5.6 6.3, but also compare that to the Tamron 70-300. So let's unbox this together, put it nice in center frame, and let's go unbox this hand by hand. 1 year warranty extension thingy, always nice to have. And here it is. Alright, let's put the thingies away. Oh. This is quite larger than the crop sensor version, and quite heavier as well. Ooh. How to open this little guy? Big guy. Ooh. 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 Much more heavier. And of course the lens hood. Put the lens cap away. Boom. Here it is. Wow. Ooh. So this is really different compared to the 70-350 from the crop sensor version. This is much larger, much bigger. It does have the weather sealing gasket, I believe, or not. I don't even see it. I think I need to change my glasses or something. Well, what do we have on the side? We got the switches, you know, the autofocus, manual focus switch, the focus range switch. That's the way how you say it. Optical steady shot on and off, so that's the inbuilt in-body stabilization of this lens, and of course this little customizable button that you can put everything on it that you want. I actually never used that button, to be honest. And the zoom, how it zooms, is actually really satisfying. Ooh. It's a quite hefty lens, or heavy lens. Whew. Look at this, look at it. Whoop, whoop. Let's switch lenses to see how it actually looks, right? Let's go. Alright, I've put the camera to the back, all the way up against the wall. And how does it look? I think it looks pretty cool. I think it looks quite nice. And let's see how the autofocus works. Does it work perfectly fine? I don't know. It's a little bit too far for me to see it properly, but I think this will be a good lens. Yeah, so what I'm going to do with this lens, I'm gonna try and find some deer again in that little park that I went to, and just to see if there are any, because it's now in December and I'm not sure if they are still around. Last time I went there I saw only one, so for now I think I'm just gonna grab some pictures of maybe birds, but you know, it's quite cold and misty right now, today at least, but we'll see in the following weeks. So subscribe to the channel to see the full review, but also a different video where I will be comparing this lens to the Sigma 100-400, but also to the Tamron 70-300. I think a lot of people will be like choosing between those three lenses because they have almost the same price range, but also the same focus range or focal range, right? So that's it for today. Also, here's some photos that I will be capturing after this little talk. So how does it look? I'm not even sure right now, because I'm not talking to the camera. But anyways, subscribe to the channel if not already. Like the video, comment down below what do you want to see of this lens, but also of the comparison. Let me know in the comment section down below. And as always, stay safe and stay healthy. See you in the next one. Good luck.